Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TS6550i. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. You need to use up or down arrow, go to the settings, select LAN settings, select OK. We will show you processing. Please wait. Then it will show you Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi direct or printer details. So select Wi-Fi, click OK. Then scroll down, select Wi-Fi setup. Then it will show you easy wireless connect or manual connect. So easy wireless connect. Do you want to connect to computer or smartphone? Yes or no? Select yes to confirm. Processing, please wait momentarily. Then it will show you follow the instruction on your computer or smartphone. Now, the next thing to do is go to your mobile device and install Canon Print app. So go to Play Store, select Play Store, then type Canon Print app. Download and install it on your mobile phone, then open it up. This is Canon Print app. Then search for printer. Please wait momentarily. Is your printer listed below? Going to select no. Then it will show you when your printer is dictated on the next screen. Tap the button to connect, then select next. So the printer is found Canon TX6550i series. Then you select connect. Connected, processing. The printer will be connected to the following wireless router SSID. Then you select yes. So you found the router, then you select yes. Communicating with the printer. This may take 150 seconds. It will also show you on the printer screen communicating with the printer. Easy wireless connect has been completed. Then you select OK. You need to wait for the process to complete on your mobile phone, but this printer is now connected to network. Then you close this. This is the printer TX6500i series. So this printer is connected to Wi-Fi network and the printer is showing us online. If you want to print document, then you select document print. So from this app, you can print document, you can scan document, cloud, photo print, smartphone copy. So select document print. Then you select document. Then select particular document you want to print out is processing. Then you select next. We want to print all. Then select OK to print all. Then select change settings. Select number of copies. The size as A4 plain paper. We want to print this two-sided long edge. Then select back and select print. So printing is completed. Then you select OK. This is the document we printed out two-sided. So after you connected this printer to Wi-Fi network with your mobile phone, if you want to add it to your computer, what you need to do is you need to go to Laptop Start, go to the Settings, then select Printers and Scanners, then add a device. Once you add a device, then it will show you Canon TX6550 series multifunction printer, inkjet printer and scanner. Select Add the device. So it's connecting. It's now installing the printer. The printer is ready. So it will show you on your laptop that the printer is ready. If you want to print a test page, you select on the printer, give it some time, select on it, or you close this page and go back again to the laptop settings. Select Printers and Scanners. Then look for TX6500 series. Select on it. It will show you that the printer is idle. Then select Print Test Page. So the document is printing. Window Printer Test Page. You have correctly installed your Canon TX6500i series on laptop. It will show you the date and time, color support, yes, port name, WSD, data raw, Windows x64. So this is a test page to confirm that the printer and the laptop both are connected together. If you want to scan document, you can also select Scanner Settings, open Scanner, and scroll down from the list and select the printer. Then put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. You see the document, close the cover, then select the file as PNG, source, auto-configured, or you can select flatbed. Select more settings, then you select resolution, 300 dpi, 600 is maximum. We want to save it in document, then you select scan. So the document is scanning. Then you select view to view the file. This is the document we scanned. If you want to print it out, you select Ctrl P or you select the printer icon. Then orientation, portrait, and also select the correct printer, Canon TX6500 series. We want to print it in color. Then you select print. The document is printing. This is the document we scanned and printed out. Another way to connect this printer and add it to your computer is the full setup guide. You go to Laptop Start, go to Microsoft Store on your computer, then install Canon Print app, then open the file. So this is Canon Print app. So from this app, you scroll on the top and the printer is available. This is the printer here. It will show you. Once you install the app, you scroll on the right side and the printer will show you the printer. You can also go on the left side, then add the printer. It will ask you to download the full software package. Another method to do this is also for us to select Windows Start, then select Google or Microsoft, then type Canon IGA setup. Canon IGA setup. select Canon IJ setup, select Canon official, then select setup. Once you select setup, they ask you to select the particular printer, then you scroll down to select PIXMA TX series, select on it, then it will show you all the TS printers available. Then you select TX6550, select on it. Once you select on it, it will show you the printer. Then you select start, setup, set up a new product or connect to computers or smartphone. Then you select connect to computer. Then you select download. It will also show you for you to download Canon Print app, which we have done. So this is another method to add this printer. And from this Canon Print app, you can print documents, you can scan documents. If you want to print with Canon Print app, then you select document print. Then go to the left side and select documents, or you type the document name. Select on the document, select open. Then go on the right side, select the particular document orientation as portrait. We want to print it two-sided. Then you select number of copies and quality and in color. Then you select print. This is the document we printed two-sided. So this is how to set this printer up with your mobile phone and computer. Print document and also option to scan using Windows Scanner. Thank you very much indeed.